today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Reactor in DaVinci Resolve. For those who doesn't know what is Reactor, it's basically a plugin, aka an effect, where there's like a list of pre-made plugins from other users, like DaVinci Resolve users and like Fusion Page in general users. They made like specific effects, for example, just like the After Effect, for example, glow, deep glow, and it really looks cool and everything. Make sure animations and in general your visual effects stand out. So from this side, VSuckless, you download this effect. For example, I'm going to link down below in the description this exact page where you can download the Reactor. For example, version is free, like in 2024 at least. And so you're going to go ahead and scroll down, right? And you're gonna press basically Reactor installer Lua. You're basically not like here because you cannot actually press it, but press like upper to the link, like to the square and everything. And basically it's gonna download the Reactor Lua. I already tested if it actually downloads and everything. So basically you're gonna open DaVinci Resolve right now. And what you want to do is basically go into a random project or any other project, right? And you're gonna press the workspace and press the console, right? And it's gonna bring this Resolve console, and basically you're gonna put the web, right? I'm gonna put it on my second screen and drag and drop basically the file onto the console, right? And it's gonna have this type of thing. Ready to install, like basically it's like a install like Reactor type of thingy, like the installer and everything. You're basically gonna press install launch. For me at least, like takes me a long time, like about 5 minutes or so to actually install, or even more. So you gotta be patient until it actually completes the installation. For example, it has this thing, and yeah, just wait for a bit. And so you've just finished the downloading and everything, and there will be this Fusion page, like Fusion Reactor page. And basically these are like all effects, like they just downloaded from other users. For example, there's like should be after, yeah, there you go. There's like I think like 1,000 at least of random dudes made like a lot of plugins that are really cool. And basically what I advise you to do is must have like Fusion Reactor plugin or effect is X-Glow. Like this man is the legendary, it's like the most simple and most efficient effect that you will use pretty much everywhere. But keep in mind that these like effects and plugins are really like hardware like aggressive, because they are like not so optimized and they are not meant to be used for DaVinci Resolve and so on, but here they are actually. So yeah, just download one of them. Like there's like ton of them. I actually should explore more and test all of these plugins and make a video like top 10 Reactor plugins or something like that. So yeah, that's like a nice idea, to be honest. So yeah, just download this X plugin by checking marking this, right? And it's gonna have this type of thing, and just basically press not right now, but I'll consider, right? And basically you have to press install, but I already installed, and so just close this down. And I think you have to actually restart DaVinci Resolve in order to have this plugin appeared or effect. And so you're basically, after that, you're gonna press Fusion page, right? And we're just gonna drag and drop, for example, I don't know, like a Harvard, just like a logo that I use for most of my videos. So basically you're gonna press this Control and space to have this selection tool menu, and basically there's like effects, like pre-made effects from DaVinci Resolve himself. And you're gonna basically search the effect X-Glow. It's what's called X-Glow. So there it is. You're just gonna press add, and it is like a sun, to be honest, right now. And it's not gonna work for this effect particularly because there's like a white here, so it like picks more glow from these white spots for example on those red spots or yellow spots or something like that. So yeah, it's not gonna work for this type of thing, but what you can do is basically copy this, remove this, and put merge node. And basically you're gonna merge this and there, and it's basically gonna doesn't have this effect, like this effect is like here, right? And this is like on top of the so it doesn't like look so weird and overexposed and everything. So you're basically gonna make this a little bit like that, maybe you're gonna make like that, maybe. And yeah, basically just do whatever you want to do. And basically that's how you actually install and use those Reactor plugins and effects and so on. So yeah, and if you get any value from this video, then make sure to subscribe, because by the end of this year I want to have 1000 people to love the Reactor game. And thank you for watching this video, and see you later. Peace.